नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। ओम सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। So we saw who are Gandharvas, that is first Manushananda, then Manusha Gandharva, then Deva Gandharva, then Pitrunam, Charalokakanam Anandaha, then Ajanajana Devaha. So each place 100 times the bliss is multiplied. Afterwards, beyond Ajanaja Devaha, they are Karma Devaha. So Karma Deva, ye Vaidikena Karma Agnihotradina Kevalena Devan Apiyanti. Those people, ye Vaidikena, through Vaidika karma, Yajna Yagadi karma. Smarta karma is the one who which takes people to Ajanaja Devaha. They are gods to Ajanaja Loka. But karma devas are little higher in heavens only, a little higher heavens. They go to occupy some other higher within the heaven, higher planes of heaven they occupy. They are called karma devaha. They attain this Vaidikena karmana, Agnihotratina, through Vaidika karma, Vedic rituals. By following sincerely Vedic rituals with a desire, they occupy the higher, world, heavens, and that is called karma devatas, beyond Ajanaja devataha. Api devaha iti trayastrimshat havirbhujaha. Now, who is this? All these devas, these kind of higher devas. Devas are the one who receive oblations, and they are 33 in number. See, 33 crores of devas. We say hosts of devas. 33 mainly. So who are 33? Ashtavasus, Vasus, Ekadasha Rudras. So Ashta plus Ekadasha, 19. Dvadasa Adityas, 12 Adityas. So 8 Vasus, 11 Rudras, 12 Adityas, Indra, and also Prajapati. Total 33. These 33 hosts of devatas. So all these devatas are iti trayastrimshat havirbhujaha devaha iti. They are the ones who receive oblations that are offered to them by the mankind, by humanity. They are the ones who receive that. Indraha tesham swami, and their lord is Indra. Therefore, here Srotriyasya chaka yete teye shatamajanajanam devanam anandaha sayeko karma devanam anandaha ye karmana devana piyanti Srotriyasya chaka mahatasya teye shatam karma devanam anandaha sayeko devanam anandaha Srotriyasya chaka mahatasya teye shatam indrasya anandaha. So above these gods and all karma devatas, Indra is there. Indra is getting 100 times of the bliss of karma devatas, and these devatas, karma devatas, and above devatas are Indra, So Indra gets 100 times of bliss multiplied by these devatas. So te shatam karma devanam ananda sa eko devanam ananda. So 100 times multiplied the karma devas joy multiplied by 100 times they reach devas, devananda. And devanam ananda. And 100 devatas bliss, 100 times, sorry, not 100 devatas, 100 times bliss of devatas is enjoyed by Indra. So therefore, devas are those who are trayastrimshat havirbhujaha, who are above karma devatas. So ajana patrunam, then above pitros, ajanaja devaha, smarta karma, those who perform. And above them, karma devataha, those agnihotra adina karma. Then devaha, the gods, higher above the karma devatas. Above gods is Indra. So Indra, who is Indra? Tesham Swami. He is the lord of all devatas. Tasya acharyo Brahaspatihi. His guru is Brahaspati. Therefore, guru gets at least 100 times joy of Shishya. So in Brahaspati Ananda is 100 times more than Indra Ananda. That's what he said. Teshatam Indrasya Anandaha Sayeko Brahaspate Anandaha. So 100 times that what bliss is enjoyed by Indra is enjoyed by Brahaspati. So Brahaspate Anandaha Sayeka Prajapate Anandaha. Then 100 times of Brahaspati Ananda, that is Brahaspati Ananda multiplied by 100 times Prajapati. So the Indra Tesham Swami, for devatas is a master, the Lord. Tasya acharyo Brahaspati, is teacher, preceptor, is Brahaspati. Prajapati Virat. Who is Prajapati Virat? Virat means Trailokya Shariraha. Meaning, above Prajapati is, see, Teshatam Brahaspati Ranandaha, Sayeko Prajapati Ranandaha. So, beyond Brahaspati, Prajapati is Ananda. Prajapati here means Virat Rupa. Virat Rupa means to him, the one to whom Prithvi Loka and Swarga as well as intermediate space, intermediate lokas are there. In between there are so many lokas are there. All these three lokas put together becomes the body of Virat Rupa, his physical form, expression. So, therefore, Trailokya Shariraha, Prajapati Virat. So, Prajapati is Virat Rupa, to whom these three worlds form his physical body. Brahma, see, no, Prajapati ke upar kaun hai dekh lijiyega. स एक प्रजापतेरानंदः श्रोत्रियस्य च कामः तस्य तेषतं प्रजापतेरानंदः स एको ब्रह्मण आनंदः. 100 times of the bliss multiplied the Prajapati Ananda into 100 times is equal to Brahmana Anandaha. Which Brahma? Hiranyagarbha. It is not Supreme Brahman. It is not infinite Brahma. So 100 times you multiply, he becomes Brahma. Who is Brahma? Samasti Vyasti Rupaha. He is the one who pervades all this cosmic form, Samasti and Vyasti, the individual forms. Hiranyagarbha. Hiranyagarbha Sarva Samsara Mandala Vyapi. He is the all pervading Sarva Samsara Mandalam, whatever is there in this entire thing, in this entire samsara, all 14 lokas, he pervades Hiranyagarbha. Sutratma. He is the one who is holding all the cosmic form and also individual form. So his bliss is 100 times more than Prajapati, Virat Rupa. So Virat Ananda himself is huge. Virat Ke, then again beyond is Brahma, Hiranyagarbha. Hiranyagarbha Brahma. His Ananda is comes. Now who is this? What is Hiranyagarbha state? Acharya says, Yatrayata Ananda Bhedaha Ekatam Gachanti Dharmascha Tan Nimittau Jnanamcha Tadvishayam Akamaha Tatvamcha Niratishayam Yatra Sayesho Hiranyagarbho Brahma Tasya Yesha Anandaha Srotriyena Avrajinena Akamahatena Cha Sarvataha Pratyaksham Upalabhyate. Now Ananda Beda Yatra Yeta Ananda Bedaha Ekatam Gachanti. In this Hiranyagarbha, all the varieties of anandas that the beings enjoy in different lokas, All the beings enjoying in different lokas, different joys, they are all unified. Ekatang gachanti. They all merged, and Hiranyagarbha Ananda includes all the joys of all the beings, varieties of joys of all the beings of all planes. It's a beautiful thing. It's like you are watching a movie, suppose. We have only sense organs, 5 of them. So whatever we want to enjoy, we would like to enjoy through 5 sense organs. अब क्या हो रहा है? I go and sit in the auditorium. First, picture is not clear and no sound at all. Do you get joy? Earlier, soundless movies are there, lip movements. You have to infer the dialogue. Story देखते थे पता लग जाता है. But no dialogues, no sounds, only movies. There is no. Ananda is somebody is seeing the movie with sound. His joy is more than that. Somebody is seeing a clear-cut picture with good sound, more joy. But this fellow is only standing and watching 2.5 hours. But somebody is sitting and enjoying, more joy. Somebody is sitting and enjoying, but he is not so healthy. He is unable to bear the AC in the auditorium. So he is not warm, he is not feeling comfortable. Other fellow is wearing sweater, gitter, sab log baith gaye. So he feels more joyful than this fellow. Now, one who is healthy mentally, but somebody's intellect is occupied. धंधा छोड़ के आया, दुकान में कोई नहीं है, बैठा, all these things. You cannot enjoy the movie. Sound is clear, picture is clear, warmth is there, kursi is there, mind also is healthy to enjoy, but intellect is preoccupied. You can't enjoy the movie. That means the one who is healthy physically, mentally, and intellectually also, who is not preoccupied, one who has got a comfortable seat, a decent temperature, bearable temperature, well clothed, भूख नहीं है, खा के आया, enjoying alertness, picture is not hazy, sound also is good. That means in him all these varieties of bliss is unified. तो हमारा bliss क्या है? First of all, there is no Manusha Ananda also, we are not getting it. युवास्यात् साधु युवाध्यायकः आशिष्टो दृढिष्टो. Like giving akrut to a toothless person. खा लीजिए, बहुत अच्छा है. You have to take it out, make it a powder and mix it in water and gulp it. अच्छा लगा, टेस्टी पता नहीं लगा. So Hiranyagarbha sthiti is that in which all joys of all the beings are unified. That is a state, he says. Yatreta ananda bhedaha ekatam gachanti. And dharmascha tan nimittau. And virtue, dharmaha, which is that cause of that bliss. Hiranyagarbha is the state in which all the varieties of bliss are unified. And the virtue, which is the cause of that bliss, the virtue also is fully available in Hiranyagarbha. So it consists of virtue, which is the cause of that bliss, and also jnanam. It contains the knowledge also. Knowledge of the total knowledge of the universe, creation. visible and invisible, all the sciences, everything, all the laws. We only study the scientific laws, but we don't know the creator of them, maintaining that law, dharma. We don't know. We only know there is a law and we can study them, some of the laws. So therefore, jnanam cha tad vishayam akamaha tattvam cha niratishayam. And where highest niratishayam means highest dispassion is seen. Akamaha tattvam, dispassionateness or dispassion, desirelessness. Highest degree pe. That is seen in Hiranyagarbha. So, Hiranyagarbha is a state where all the varieties of bliss are unified, where dharma is available, which is that virtue, which is the cause of that bliss, which is the total knowledge, the source of total knowledge, containing total knowledge, and also highest bliss or my highest dispassion also is seen. Yatra sayesha Hiranyagarbho Brahma. Tasya yesha anandaha srotriyena vrujinena akamatetva sarvatha. And that bliss which is directly available to the srotriya, Vedic scholar, avrujinena, to the sinless person, and akamahatena, to the desireless person, which is freely available, sarvatha available, pratyaksham upalabhyate. To such a person, this bliss of Hiranyagarbha, who is desireless, who is sinless, who is a scholar in Vedic knowledge, such a person, unko liye, sarvataha, sarvatra, this Hiranyagarbha is sarvavyapi, what do you call, samsara mandala vyapi. So he is all pervading. Therefore, his bliss is also always available. Since Hiranyagarbha is all pervading, and Hiranyagarbha is a bliss, unified bliss there. So to this man who is a sinless, who is a scholar, and also is not what you call tortured by desires, haunted by desires. Such a person, it is directly available. Pratyaksham upalabhyate. Sarvatra. He need not go anywhere. His bliss is enjoying everywhere, every moment. Sarvatra upalabhyate. Tasmat, therefore, yetani trini sadhanani iti avagamyate. These three sadhanas are noticed or observed or known. What are they? Tatra srotriyatva avrujinatve niyate. In these three sadhanas, srotriyatva, avrujinatvam, akamaha tattvam. Knowledge of the study of the scriptural knowledge, then sinlessness, that is paparahitam, and third thing is akamaha tattvam, no desires. These three out of these three, srotriyatva avrujinatve niyate, they are invariable, they cannot be changed, they are common to all planes. Akama tattvam tu utkrishyata, but akama tattvam increases from lower plane to higher plane. The more desirelessness is achieved, more joy is gained. So higher planes may less desires they have. इसी जीवन में आपको भी, who is more happy? One who has less desires. Bas. One who has more desires, less happy. Less desires, more happy. Iti prakrishta sadhana da avagamyate. Therefore, akama tattvam is pradhana sadhana. It becomes very prakrishta, very high sadhana it forms. And most important sadhana, to become desireless. कुछ भी desire नहीं है. No desire. No desire means, चलो हम 100 साल जिए, हाँ 100 साल जिए, वो भी डिजायर है. चलो हम जल्दी मरे, वो भी डिजायर है. चलो परिवार के लोग, हमारे साथी लोग ना 100 साल जिए, वो भी डिजायर है. खबरदार है, कोई आया राम गया राम. मेरी आंखों के सामने इतने लोगों का मौत होते जा रहा है, क्या करूं? आप ही जाओ, और क्या करना है? जाना तो चाहता था मगर हो नहीं पाता, तो इधर ही रहो. मगर रहना भी नहीं हो रहा है, तुम मरो, मरना भी नहीं हो रहा है। इसी को कहते हैं अति दुख। अरे बाबा, जो आने 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 देना। जब कोई जन्म लेता है पूछते हैं क्या क्यों आया करके, आया वेलकम, गया बाय बाय, क्या फर्क पड़ेगा। ये भी डिजायर है। जिसके मन में कोई, सम पीपल आर देयर, मृत्यु होती है तो ठीक है, चला गया चला गया, हमें जाने वाला है, मतलब वैसे बात करते हैं। जब कब जाएंगे पता नहीं, मैं तो तैयार हूं। अरे वाह, जब बुलावा आ जाए समझाएंगे। मस्ती। सुबह सुबह मौत के बारे में बोलते हैं। आज संडे है ना, क्या करेंगे आप, छुट्टी है ना, तो घर जाके सोचते रहना मृत्यु के बारे में। क्या फर्क पड़ेगा, किसी का शादी नहीं हो, नहीं हो तो नहीं हो, हाँ हो गया तो हो गया। क्या आप क्लास में नहीं आए, अच्छा है, मैं जाके कमरे में सो जाऊंगा। और एक बार आया तो बोलो, नहीं आया तो बंद करो। व्हाट इज द बिग डिस्कशन अबाउट इट। मजेदार बात है टेल यू। मस्ती, डिजायरलेस इज द बेस्ट स्टेट। फिर भी थोड़ा डिजायर हो जाता है, एब्सोल्यूट डिजायरलेस होना, बट जितना आप कम कर सकते हैं उतना खुशी मिलेगी आपको, गारंटी। उत्कृष्टता इति प्रकृष्ट साधनत्व अवगम्यते तस्य अकामतत्व प्रकर्षतश्च उपलभ्यमानः श्रोत्रिय प्रत्यक्षो ब्रह्मण आनंदः यस्य परमानंदस्य मात्र एकदेशः एतस्य एव आनंदस्थ अन्यानि भूतानि मात्रम् उपजीवन्ति इति श्रुत्यन्तरात्। नौ तस्य अकामः तत्व प्रकर्षतः। नौ अकामः तत्व में प्रकर्षतः मीन्स perfection of the state of desirelessness has been achieved. And I am telling you, there is no desire. या ऐसा हो या न हो, ऐसा रहना है ऐसा नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं। इवन दैट इज कॉल्ड टोटल सरेंडर, दैट देयर इज नो डिजायर इन दिस। एंड जैसे गुरु या भगवान उनका व्हाट यू कॉल यूटिलाइज हिम एज अ मीडियम वे में, बट देन ही हैज नो डिजायर। वेरी टफ। ब्रह्मलोक में वेरी लेस डिजायर्स। ब्रह्मलोक में हिरण्यगर्भ, दैट इज नॉट ब्रह्म स्टेट, सुप्रीम ब्रह्मन, बट वहां पे भी डिजायर बहुत लेस है। नो डिजायर, हार्डली 1 or 2 डिजायर। वो भी वेरी विचित्र डिजायर है। बट एनीवे वहां पे अच्छा आराम से बैठते हैं, नोबडी वांट्स टू कम डाउन, नथिंग। ब्रह्मा जी बोलता है महाराज उठो, थोड़ा काम करके आओगे। कहाँ? झाड़ू लगाना। कहाँ पे? पृथ्वी पर। थोड़ा झाड़ू लगा के आओ। मैं नहीं जाऊंगा, वो भी नहीं कहना है। वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू स्टेट इट इज। जस्ट एज एवरी मैटर, मड हैज नो डिजायर। जैसे आप मोल्ड करेंगे, इट इज अलाउइंग यू टू मोल्ड। अब कुत्ता भी बनाओ, नो डोंट मेक मी कुत्ता, मेक मी भगवान राम। मड विल नॉट से, ठीक है। इफ यू वांट मी टू मेक डॉग एंड गिव यू हैप्पीनेस, बना दो। इफ यू वांट टू मेक भगवान राम एंड डू पूजा, पूजा करो। मैं तो वही हूं, मिट्टी। That means that is the state of desirelessness. Highest state still और भी है। So tasya akamah tattva prakashatascha upalabhyamanah. Now this, because of the highest state of desirelessness or perfection desirelessness, that which is available, experienced. What is that? That which is Srotriya Pratyaksho Brahmana Anandaha. Yeah, because of that higher state of desirelessness, and that which is because of Srotriya Pratyaksha, which is a Pratyaksha directly perceived by a Srotriya Brahmana, Brahmana Anandaha, that Brahman bliss which is available to a Vedic scholar directly, and that which is gained by upon gaining perfection in the state of desirelessness, and that joy, that which is again Paramanandasya Matra Ekadeshaha, that joy which is experienced by Vedic scholar upon perfection of all his, attaining the state of desirelessness, and that joy which is experienced, that joy which is nothing but a drop in the ocean of Brahman. Which joy? Brahmana Anandaha. Hiranyagarbha Ananda is nothing but a joy, a drop of that Brahma bliss, bliss of Brahman. हमको सुबह सुबह ठंड में कोई चाय पिलाया तो we feel ब्रह्मानंद. चाय पिला रहे, पिला दो मुफ्त में, वो भी अच्छा, और डबल जॉय, चीनी डबल, और 3 कप भी पिला रहे, 3 तो 4 कप, जितना चाहो उतना अच्छा. हम फूलते जाते हैं वहां पे बैठ के सुबह सुबह ठंड में भी. दैट इज आवर जॉय. कुछ भी नहीं है. Therefore, Paramanandasya Matra. This is the entire joy which is available to a Vedic scholar. That with joy which you get upon perfection or on removing all the desires, achieving a state of desirelessness, that Hiranyagarbha joy, whatever you get, it is that joy which is nothing but a drop from the ocean of the bliss of Brahman, Supreme Brahman. It is as mentioned here, Etasya eva anandasta anyani bhutani matra. Brihadaranyaka Upanishad says that because the drop of that Brahman bliss only, all beings are living. एक ऐसा चिलका है बस, one drop is not for per head. एक ड्रॉप चिलका है, सारे जीव जितने ब्रह्मांड में बीइंग्स है सभी उसी आनंद में बांट के खुशी हो रहे हैं. एक ही चिलका दे, सो जाओ. One drop of sugar juice, you just put it, oh, so many ants will share it. All sarvani bhutani matra ujivanti iti, all beings also depend on that small drop of bliss. So yesha anando yasya matraha samudrambasaiva viprashaha. That joy which is like a drop which is springing, up from the ocean. A spray of that joy. The drops sprayed. One drop. It goes up. Pravibhaktaha yatra ekatam gataha, that it comes out and again it reaches back and falls back into same ocean. A small spray, small drop, that Brahman. So yesha paramanandaha swabhaviko advaita anandaha ananda anandinoscha avibhagaha atra. That bliss, Paramatma, Supreme Brahman, is Advaita Ananda, wherein the duality between Ananda and Anandi is removed. Enjoyer and the joy. That the discrimination is totally removed. So that is the joy. Esya, that which joy, out of which only drop, out of the drop of the joy only, everybody is living. So that is Paramananda. That means inexpressible joy, infinite. Like a tiger drinking blood, just started. That time you go and try to pull the bowl away. Will it allow? You won't allow you. Similarly, the one Mahatmas who are really blessed in that, enjoying that bliss, they don't allow you to drag them to this plane. First of all, they are not seen by us. We are Almesha Paramaranda. Now, tad etat mimamsa phalam upasammariyate. So that is the phalam now, result of this inquiry. Mimamsa means vicharana. Inquiry is being concluded here, ultimately. This inquiry, mimamsa, this kind of thinking analysis, which we have started long back. Sayaschayam purushe yaschasavaditye sa ekaha saya evam vita अस्मान लोकात् प्रेत्य एतमन्नमयमात्मानमुपसंक्रामति एतम् अप्राणमयमात्मानमुपसंक्रामति एतं मनोमयमात्मानमुपसंक्रामति एतं विज्ञानमयमात्मानमुपसंक्रामति एतमानन्दमयमात्मानमुपसंक्रामति तदप्येष श्लोको भवति स यश्चायं पुरुषे यश्चासावादित्ये स एकः स य एवं वित् अस्मान् लोकात् प्रेत्य एतमयमुपसंक्रामति एतं प्राणमयमात्मानमुपसंक्रामति एतं मनोमयमात्मानमुपसंक्रामति एतं विज्ञानमयमात्मानमुपसंक्रामति एतमानन्दमयमात्मानमुपसंक्रामति तदप्येष श्लोको भवति. We will take up this tomorrow. आधा हो जाएगा. This is also a big portion. There is a lot of question and answers are there. That also we will study. Then only we can complete 8th Anuvaka. It's a long way to go. Taittiriya Upanishad. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate